Pretty rough out here today. Mother Nature's cleanup crew. Sea lice. Weekend at Bernie's. Got this dead crab in our trap. Pop some tops. Look. Weekend at Bernie's, clearly dead. Missing claws. Look. Mouth flapping open. Pretty rough out here today. You know how we roll. Stephen Seagal wanting to say what's up. Look at that. See those, all that sea lice? Ooh. Well, see? Kind of fresh though. They probably just got to it. This is Mother Nature's cleanup crew. They're just little crustaceans that are super aggressive and they just hunker down on dead carcass. Once it dies, these things just infest. Mother Nature's cleanup crew. Sea lice. Oh! Well. Look. Piecing back together. I'm losing it. Losing it! Sleep deprivation. Have the first nightlife I've had in decades. Changing diapers and lullabies. Wouldn't change it for the world, but man, I'm not getting a lot of sleep. Oh. A little delirious today, no worries. Uh-oh.